Hey guys, welcome back to another unboxing. So today we're showing you guys Outdoor Masters. This is a ski goggle kit. So it comes with a hard protective carrying pouch. You got a nice little manual. Comes in a carrying bag, and also this kit comes with a spare lens. So we're going to show you guys how that works. They make extremely high quality products. So let's show you guys how it works. All right guys, so this is what the goggles look like. Now, you guys can see this is a reflective pair. Nice, beautiful tint. And what's nice about theirs is it's soft padding. Now, of course, make sure you remove the film inside. And they just make it easy. So you just peel this off. Look at that, even with one hand. So we got the tint removed off. So for this, you guys can see it's got a nice dark tint. Now, this is good for protecting your eyes against the sun. I mean, I just love their goggles. And the great thing is they are fun for snowmobiling, ATV, dirt biking, and so much. Now, if you guys want to swap out the lens, well, that's actually pretty simple because it's magnetic. So let's go ahead and pop this off. So you want to use two hands, and what you want to do is you want to grab the top corner and grab the bottom corner and just pull up, and that allows you to simply pop it off. It's just all with magnets. So obviously I'm using one hand just to show you guys. So this is the clear lens. We're going to go ahead and remove that. And watch this, guys. This is how, look at that. That's it. It automatically is just like drawed it right towards it, and that's it. So overall, I love this brand, guys. I think you will too. And guys, this is what the goggles look like. So as you guys can see, and you guys can remove your lenses on the fly. So you want to feel for the corners, and then you just pull the corners up like that. Watch this, guys. I mean, this is just amazing. Close your eyes just for protection and align it up. It pops right in, and check that out. That is awesome, guys. The straps are adjustable in the back, so overall, definitely, I would say this is in my top 5 favorite goggles for outdoors. Very nice, guys. I just love this. And you know, like I said, look at that. You just easily swap it out. And the nice thing is it's so padded. Like you got pad all around your whole head, protecting your head. It is so nice and soft, flexible, but yet sturdy and safe. I mean, they do a very good job, guys. A very good job on their products.